You think porn is free. There's no subscription, no invoice, no charge on your bank account. So you keep telling yourself, this isn't really costing me anything. That right there is the lie that's keeping you stuck. Because porn is one of the most expensive habits a man can have. Not because of what you pay up front, but because of what it silently takes from you over time. And in today's episode of the Rebuilt Man podcast, I'm going to break down the 10 real things that your porn addiction is costing you. These aren't surface level things. I'm talking about the things that are quietly destroying your performance, your relationship, and your confidence. But most importantly, destroying the man that you're capable of becoming. And by the end of this, you're not going to see porn the same way ever again. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here. It's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim their identities, and rebuild their lives. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this here on YouTube, make sure to turn the post notifications on. But let's set something straight here right from the beginning. Porn is not free. It's not just charging you in dollars. It's charging you in something far more valuable. Your attention, your focus, your energy, your identity. Because if something is free, you're not the customer, you're the product. Your attention is being bought and sold. Your brain is being conditioned, and your behavior is being trained. And the more you consume, the more it rewires you into a man that watches life instead of living it. So let's break down the real cost, the 10 real costs of your pornography addiction. Number one, time that you will never get back. Let's start simple. Your time. Late nights, wasted hours, scrolling, clicking, watching. You tell yourself it's just 10 minutes, but it's never just 10 minutes. It turns into hours a week, days a month, months of your life. Time you could have spent building something, growing something, becoming something. You don't have a time management problem. You have a leakage problem. Number two, your energy and your drive. You ever notice how you feel after? Drained, flat, unmotivated. That's not random. You're overstimulating your brain with dopamine hits it was never designed to handle. And then when you expect yourself to show up focused, driven, and sharp, it doesn't work like that. You're not tired because you're working too hard. You're tired because you're numbing your drive. Number three, it's costing you your focus and cognitive performance. You say you want to build that business, lead your family, level up your life, but you can't even sit still for 20 minutes without needing stimulation. Your brain is trained for quick hits, constant novelty, instant gratification. So when it's time to do deep work, you struggle. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain has been rewired. Number four here, it's costing you lost opportunities. This one should hit hard because you'll never fully see it. The deals you didn't close, the ideas you didn't execute, the risk you didn't take. And it's all because you couldn't, but because you didn't have that edge, the focus, the drive, the clarity. The cost isn't what you lost. It's what you never built. Number five, it's costing you your confidence and self-respect. The truth is you can lie to everyone else, but you can't lie to yourself. You know when you're out of alignment. You know when you keep breaking promises. I'm done, last time, never again. And then you go right back. That chips away at your identity because confidence isn't built by hype. It's built by keeping your word to yourself. You can't build real confidence on a foundation of secrecy. Number six here is costing you your relationships and your intimacy. If you're in a relationship, this is where it shows up. Disconnection, less attraction, less presence. You're physically there, but you're mentally checked out. And if you're single, you start avoiding real connection altogether because your brain is conditioned for easy, artificial stimulation instead of real effort and real intimacy. Number seven, it's costing you your masculine edge. This is the one that most men don't want to hear. Porn trains you to watch, not pursue, not lead, not take action, but watch. And over time, that bleeds into every area of your life. You hesitate more, you avoid more, you settle more. Masculinity is built through action, and porn conditions passivity. Number eight, it's costing you your spiritual life. You feel it, that disconnect, that guilt, that hesitation to lean into your faith. Not because God moved away from you, but because you feel unworthy to come close to him. And the longer you stay in the cycle, the more distance you create, not physically, but internally. Number nine, it's costing you your identity. This is a real problem. You're winning on paper, career, money, status, but behind closed doors, you're living a different reality. Two versions of you, the man the world sees and the man that you know you are. In that gap, that's where that frustration lives. That's where the shame lives. That's where the cycle keeps repeating itself. And number 10, it's costing you your future self. This should be the one that hits you the hardest because it's not about today. It's about where this leads. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, if nothing changes, who do you become? Porn just doesn't steal from you in the present. It robs you of your future. So now that you see it, it was never free. You've been paying for it this entire time with time, energy, focus, your confidence, relationships, and your purpose. And here's the truth that most men don't want to face. You don't have a porn problem. You have an identity problem. Because the man that you are right now is the man who keeps choosing it. But what does actually freedom look like on the other side? I know because I've lived it and I've watched over 1,800 men step into it themselves. When a man becomes free, he wakes up more clear. He leads his life again. He shows up present in his relationships. He rebuilds his confidence. He reconnects with God. He starts building instead of escaping. Same life, but different man. And everything changes. This is exactly why we created the Reboot Your Life system. Because it isn't about quitting porn. It's about rebuilding you step by step, week by week. You identify what's been holding you back. You clean up your environment. You build discipline through daily habits. You rewire your brain. You reconnect with purpose and you re-step into leadership. What we've designed is a 12-week identity transformation system. Not a quick fix, but a full rebuild. Because you do not break this cycle by trying harder. You break it by becoming someone better and someone new. That's what the Reboot Your Life system is all about. And that's exactly what 1,800 other men have done before you. So if something in today's episode hits you, good. That means you're finally starting to see the real cause. Now, the question is, what are you going to do about it? If you're ready to stop paying the price and actually ready to rebuild your life, I want you to visit therebuiltman.com/porn free or click the link down there in the show notes below and get access to Porn Free Man. This is not just a book. It's the entire 12-week Reboot Your Life blueprint to help you become the man who no longer needs his life. The best part, we've made this so accessible to everybody. It's all laid out in this simple to follow book and guideline. Visit therebuiltman.com/porn free. Click the link down there in the show notes below, or you can keep telling yourself it's free and keep paying the price. Click the link below. We'll see you guys on the inside.